Struggling with your manufacturing process? Your production productivity is decreasing continuously? Or poor production scheduling? Facing these challenges not only affects customer experience, but increases manufacturing waste, which ultimately increases cost. To ensure this, the manufacturer must have complete visibility throughout the operations. Manufacturing ERP software helps to plan and manage your day-to-day production operations seamlessly. ERP helps to reduce cost, enhance quality, better decision-making, increase customer satisfaction, and enhance production. A cloud-based ERP solution enhances manufacturing efficiency by seamlessly integrating processes from procurement to production. The selection of the right ERP increases business visibility, maximizes profitability, improves performance, and helps to stand out uniquely. Make the right choice with Absolute ERP and get your free consultation with a manufacturing specialist now.